Hi guys, we are here in हंसराज कॉलेज राइट नाउ. बहुत धूप थी बाहर, that's why we are sitting indoors. और सबसे पहले तो ये साइंस की प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी की वीडियो होने वाली है. अगर आप 12वीं में आपका हो गया है एंड यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर CUT इन द नेक्स्ट 30 days, दिस इज द वीडियो फॉर यू. So we'll just get your names, your CUT score and your course, and then I think सब सेम कोर्स से ही हैं. BSc Zoology ऑनर्स. तो I'll cut that part for you और फिर आप बस नाम और CUT score कर.
Good afternoon, guys.
Put the mic a bit closer.
I am Shri Babu, and I'm a student of Zoology Honours second year. And my CUT score in the 2023 CUT was 555, and I got a Hansraj in the first round itself. So, what do I have to say again?
No, that's all right. And then next names and we'll move on to strategy after this.
Hi everyone, my name is Shreyasi Dalakoti and my CUT score was 470 out of 600.
Hi everyone, I'm Yogya and my CUT score was like around 500. I don't specifically remember. So, yeah.
That's all right.
So hello everyone, my name is Varun and my CUT score in 2023 was 514 out of 600 and I got Hansraj in the very first round.
Okay, so now we'll get into the good bits now that they know your score. You're listening to the right people. यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. सबसे पहले लेट्स पिक ऑन वन सब्जेक्ट ईच. फिजिक्स में आप शॉर्ट में सब अपनी अपनी प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी जो आपने मतलब की थी आफ्टर बोर्ड्स वो उनको बता दो. ठीक है, आप स्टार्ट कर लो फिजिक्स के.
Okay. So like for physics, I usually made the formula sheet so that there are long chapters I can make into one page. So that was my strategy to revise all the chapter at once. And major मेरा portion रहता था numerical solve करने में. So that was my strategy.
Okay.
I usually approach this very differently. Like there's like a formula sheet. You can just get it from the internet. You read the formula sheet and then you make questions.
Can you
don't
tell me
prepare for
any
it.
site that you can get this or just look up physics
I
formula
was in
sheet?
like a coaching institution, so I won't name it, but
नहीं आप नाम भी ले सकते हो.
I was in Akash, so they provide you the formula sheet, or you can just get it from like normal internet. PW also provide like free formula sheets,
Okay.
and so you just read them. You just make questions as many as you can. जो नहीं बन रहा है, it's okay. Just watch the solution and then read the chapter. It helps a lot.
Okay, and next.
So same like everyone, I also prepared my own formula sheet and also I opted for some course books or questionnaire book. So for that,
Acha. And I think this is a new trend that I'm seeing with science students that you guys went for courses, right? In class 12th for CUT or for like ऐसी किसी और चीज़ की प्रिपरेशन के लिए थे ये courses?
actually I opted for CUT after my 12th was completed.
अच्छा तो
A different course मैंने लिया था.
So, physics was tough biscuit in the jar because the formulas are really volatile, to be very frank. So what I did was actually, wrote whatever the formula came to my mind whenever I used to wake up in the morning. So I'll just take one chapter for the time being, for example, electromagnetism, and I'll just write down all the formulas which I can remember at that particular moment and just wrote them down in a paper and stuck on the wall. So this really helped me, recapitalizing everything using the formulas in the exam as well, because it was right on my fingertips. So this thing really helped me a lot. And apart from that, the formula sheets, as you can see, you can get it from anywhere, and there are a lot of free resources available. You don't have to actually take any particular course from any institution or thing. You can just type up the formula sheet and you will get the desired result from anywhere. So this was my strategy for physics.
So for like chem में ऐसा हम formula sheet बना के नहीं कर सकते because there are three parts: organic, inorganic, and physical. Physical में you can make formula sheets, but there is a theory portion also. So you have to read the NCERT or make notes, descriptive notes in sense. For organic, you can write all the reaction in one page or 2 page. And for the inorganic, you have to cram up everything. There is no option. So like MCQ pattern रहता है. So more the MCQ pattern you practice, the better you get.
Okay, so where would you actually practice this from?
Like mocks I used to get और PYQs मिल जाते थे. NEET के I used to do it कि CUT के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं, but I used to attempt the NEET के questions so that अगर NEET के level का अगर मैं कर पा रहा हूँ तो CUT तो आराम से हो ही जाएगा. That was my strategy.
That is smart. Most I think science के students की यही रहेगी. They are aiming
Because
for
there was a
different
thing
things.
कि NEET के लिए already बहुत content available था, but CUT तभी आया था तो इतना available नहीं था. So I used to prepare for NEET.
हाँ,
So
that's
that I can
smart.
crack.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
So bio was my favorite subject. उसमें NCERT was the key. 12th के बाद कंप्लीट होने के बाद वापस NCERT को रिवाइज़ किया और साइड में ही काफ़ी डिटेल नोट्स बनाए और एवरी टाइम व्हेन कोई भी मॉक प्रैक्टिस करे तो NCERT के क्वेश्चंस ही बार बार आते हैं उसमें. तो बायो के लिए NCERT इज़ द बेस्ट.
NCERT. And then any way you practice this?
by using some PYQs
Okay,
or
same things.
yes.
अच्छा, so when did you actually start using this? मतलब 30 दिन अगर आपके पास बचे हैं, when would you recommend them to start? कि NCERT इस समय पढ़ो और फिर प्रैक्टिस करना स्टार्ट कर लो.
NCERT अगर टाइम कम है तो NCERT ही अच्छे से पढ़ते रहो, मतलब जैसे जैसे पढ़ रहे हो अच्छे से ही पढ़ो तो आपको ज़्यादा फिर PYQs में दिक्कत ना आए.
Okay, and we'll roll to math for the
Sure. मैथ्स पोर्शन के लिए आई वुड जस्ट से कि जितने भी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस थे आप बोर्ड्स के उठा लो एंड उनके जो आप लाइक जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन जिसमें आपको दिखे, चाहे कि यहाँ पे सिंपल फार्मूला बेस्ड जैसे इंटीग्रेशन के जो क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे होते हैं सिंपल आपका एक दो नंबर का ऐसा रहता है, लाइक बहुत शॉर्ट एडिशंस का दिया हुआ रहता है, यू कैन जस्ट गो फॉर देम. एंड पर्टिकुलरली फॉर मैथ्स मैंने अड्डा 24/7 के यूट्यूब चैनल से मैंने उसमें देखा था, तो उनके पास ना ऐसे प्रॉपर कंटेंट था अवेलेबल, तो इट रियली हेल्प मी अ लॉट कि उनको मतलब मैं फॉलो करते करते ऐसा करा, तो उसमें मेरा काफ़ी अच्छा से रहा था. सो फॉर मैथ्स NCERT इज़ अ की, बट फॉर लाइक इंक्रीजिंग योर स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी I would say you go for the RS Agrawal.
अच्छा,
That's a really good book.
And so let's मतलब एक एक करके मैं हर सब्जेक्ट के लिए I'll give you guys like a 30-day thing that they can do. So right now for math they can in the first 20 days they can start with PYQs,
Yeah,
mocks,
definitely, yeah.
and the NCERT के 1 mark का जो short questions रहते हैं
exactly,
वो
हाँ,
वाले. तो long questions आते भी नहीं हैं.
नहीं, मैथ्स में लॉन्ग ऐसा नहीं आता कुछ ऐसा.
So even in chapters such as differentiation and integration वो exercise के last वाले नहीं आ रहे हैं,
नहीं,
ऊपर वाले आ रहे हैं.
ऊपर वाले जो होते हैं जो शॉर्ट देखने में लगते हैं कि हाँ वो हो जाता है. सो
तो मतलब first I think all 30 days they should focus on PYQs, mocks, and then the third thing NCERT के last questions, one shot videos from different channels. And हाँ, so for maths mainly आप लोगों को previous year question करने हैं, mocks करने हैं, and then you can use the other thing 1 mark questions in your exercises and one shot videos from different YouTube sources.
Yeah.
Mainly practice का ही game है
Yes,
for
हाँ.
maths.
I mean the key here is the consistency on how which you are practicing the questions, because the more and more number of questions you practice each and every day, the more your chances will be higher of scoring good marks.
Okay, so did you use DuBuddy?
Yes, actually.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
So I'll just put like a plugin right here. So you can go to DuBuddy. We have all the papers of 2022,
Yeah.
2023, 2024, like all of them. You'll get mocks, PYQs, all of that. और जो वन शॉट के वीडियोस यूट्यूब के सोर्स उन्होंने बता दिए आपको. एंड विल जस्ट मूव ऑन टू बायो के लिए. लेट्स गिव देम अ 30-day प्लान ऑल्सो. सो बायो के लिए आई थिंक फर्स्ट अपना जा रहा है NCERT's मेन है. देयर इज नथिंग सच एज अ फॉर्मूला शीट इफ आई एम राइट फॉर बायो. नो फॉर्म्स, मतलब याद करके नहीं, सो क्लियर योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स वाली बात है. सो फर्स्ट 15 days फोकस ऑन दैट. आई थिंक दैट विल बी द फर्स्ट थिंग. एंड देन नेक्स्ट 15 days में यू कैन एम फॉर PYQs, मॉक्स. और फिर वहाँ पे टेल मी इफ दे फाइंड आउट समथिंग इज रॉन्ग, डू दे गो एंड रेफर बैक टू द स्टडिंग द होल चैप्टर?
No, not that whole chapter, but they can refer to that particular section.
अच्छा, तो फिर मतलब चैप्टर वाइज जाके आप 15 days बाद व्हेन यू फाइंड आउट कि PYQ मैंने अटेम्प्ट किया, मॉक मैंने अटेम्प्ट किया, ये मेरा एरिया वीक है, वो आपको पता चल जाएगा. कहीं पे भी अटेम्प्ट करोगे DuBuddy पे है, बाकी आई एम नॉट श्योर है कि नहीं, तो वो आप पता कर लेना कौन सा वीक एरिया है आपका, एंड देन गो स्टडी दैट नेक्स्ट 30 days. एंड देन लास्ट 5-6 days शुड दे फोकस ऑन समथिंग डिफरेंट?
I think they should stick to the questioning
Yeah.
also,
अच्छा.
mocks and PYQ, because that happened with me also. Like bio के questions खत्म हो गए थे literally मेरे पास जितने भी available थे internet पे. I used everything.
हाँ.
So I was a bit saturated. Like I had a 7 days. I had a 7 days gap between like bio का जो CET का एग्जाम था, and I had no more questions. Like NEET के भी हो गए थे, CET के तो कंटेंट ऑलरेडी कम था, so there is repetition आ जाता है.
That is
bio
true. I
में.
think theoretical subjects में ये
Yeah.
ज़्यादा है क्योंकि NCERT इतनी ही पतली
हाँ,
है,
हाँ.
और ये आर्ट्स के कोर्सेज में और कॉमर्स के सब्जेक्ट्स में आती है. बायो में, साइंस में आपको ये पड़ी.
तो repetition आ जाता है. Now you don't find any new questions. So then you feel हाँ good कि अब हो गया है, अब कोई नया
I'll
question
tell you this also. हिस्ट्री में अभी जो CUET PYQ में आया था ना, वो वापस इधर में भी आया था, बोर्ड एग्जाम में भी वापस आया था. सो
Okay.
दैट इज हाउ थियोरेटिकल सब्जेक्ट्स गो, रिपीट होता है. तो NCERTs एंड कीप योर प्रैक्टिस ऑन. एंड कैम आई थिंक वी कैन मूव ऑन टू योग्य to finish it for us.
First of all, I would like to speak about organic chemistry. First, whatever you open your NCERT and note down all the formulas, structural formulas in one sheet or maybe 2 or more sheets, but make sure that you have them all written in one page without any explanation. Just be there. It's going to help you so much in the last few days. Make sure in physical,
Especially those named reactions.
yeah, those named reactions. First make first like just क्या बोलते हो solve PYQs first of
Okay.
all. Whatever you feel like is the most important reaction you're getting confused in, mark it. It's very important. You won't realize it now, but you will. So and physical obviously make formula sheets. That's the only thing you can actually do in it. And inorganic cramp up if you don't have like already prepared for inorganic. Try your best to. Otherwise, I'm sorry.
अच्छा, so I'll just recap this chem वाली चीज़. Go through your NCRTs, pick up all of the formulas for organic, and then put them in a sheet, memorize them. If you're finding difficulty anywhere, go practice them. Inorganically, if you haven't done it right now, I think all four of them agree with this. आप नहीं कर पाओगे अभी. So try a little bit of mug up वाली चीज़ if you are able to.
Important PY.
हाँ, तो जस्ट फाइंड आउट कि कौन सा चैप्टर की वेटेज ज़्यादा है. ये भी आपको पता चल जाएगा किसी भी हमारी वेबसाइट पे पता चल जाएगा, किसी का मैं बता नहीं रहा हूँ. तो ये आप कर सकते हो. एंड लास्टली फिजिक्स का हमने नहीं किया था ना 30 डे. ओके, फिर अच्छा CME आई थिंक फॉर्मूला शीट आप चारों ही बता सकते हो. फार्मूला शीट बनाओ, सारे चैप्टर्स पढ़ो, उसके बाद गो फॉर PYQs, फाइंड योर वीक एरिया, go back to weak area, practice it.
Also, there's one more thing
To
called.
be honest, I'm from economics. I scored full marks in 2 subjects. I also primarily use DUBD for my first.
Whoa, that's sick. We'll get him in saying that. Could you say that again?
Hello guys, I'm Aditya Goyal. I'm from economics. I scored full marks in accountancy and BST, and primarily I use DUBD for my preparation. Mostly I use their PYQs, and उसके अलावा इन्होंने जो scores का आकर में दिखाया था कि
we
answers
got
करना
you there.
होता
I
है.
know. We were the
That was
only
also
one
very
that got
nice.
you there.
Yeah, of course. Even PYQs भाई, PYQs में आपके ही थे मैंने authentic. बल्कि अबाउट दिस आप यूनिवर्सिटी में जो बच्चे आ गए उनके लिए भी आगे कर सकते हो ना. हाउ अबाउट जैसे मैथमेटिक्स में बच्चे हैं उनके लिए ओलंपियाड्स का
We're
रखो.
actually really trying for it. मतलब for university students get something new. That is in our plans, and yeah, we will get it to you soon. University के students के लिए. ठीक है. Tell us about your Hansraj experience and how you're liking it till now.
Well, when I initially got into this college, I was like so happy and so relieved when I got here. Now I'm pretty neutral, but whoever is like will be our newcomers, you're gonna love this college. The environment is nice, people are good, you will love it.
सो हंसराज वॉज माई थर्ड प्रायोरिटी. थर्ड थी, फिर भी अच्छा लगा सुन के कि हंसराज मिल गया है क्योंकि रैंकिंग अच्छी थी एंड डिसिप्लिन काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. दूसरे कॉलेजेस से मुझे लगता है कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा डिसिप्लिन है और बाकी चीज़ें भी अच्छी हैं. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज़ नाइस, एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड आई गेस.
Yeah, so you're really happy out here.
या
And then let me ask you this. आपकी जो expectation थी and reality आपको देखने मिली, was it discrepancy थी बहुत ज़्यादा कि
डिस्क्रिपेंसी तो नहीं थी बिकॉज मैंने यूट्यूब में काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस देखे थे, अलग अलग कॉलेजेस के देख लिए थे. हंसराज मिला तो लगा तो कि मतलब अच्छा है, तो ऐसा तो नहीं था कि बिल्कुल ही डिसअपॉइंटमेंट था या बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. इट वॉज गुड.
That's nice, and we'll move on to him.
Okay, so एक बात में तो रहा था कि यहाँ पर like you know the regulations are way too strict. I will say that very frankly. But as compared to the rest of the colleges, what you find the most exciting thing over here is that despite all of these regulations, the faculty members and the friends you're gonna make here are gonna be worth the experience of coming here, because not only you will meet a diverse set of people from all over the country and in fact foreign countries as well. So that will not only boost your like you know morale and like the confidence which you find like lacking in like school levels. You know बच्चे थोड़े से timid होते हैं, बड़ा कॉलेज है, पता नहीं कैसे होगा. But this place will teach you how to represent yourself on a national level and international as well, because it does provide you with so many numerous opportunities which you will just lost count of. Like there have been so many numerous number of times which I've encountered with such people, like such influential people that I've got the opportunity to meet with.
Such as?
Such as Dr. S. Ravishankar.
Okay, that's sick.
Yeah, and I have never even imagined that I would be able to like get a talk with him and even see him in person. So this college has provided me that opportunity, and it has taught me so many like you know life lessons as well, like how to deal with like you know difficult situations. And not just that, like the faculty members over here are really nice. Like they're very supportive of everything, be it any personal, financial, or anything. So yeah, it is a nice environment over here. So I must say that it is worth it, no matter what the world says. So yeah.
भाई अब तो सारे पॉइंट्स ले लिए. कर लो. अच्छा लगा यार आपने जो बोला.
So like my first preference was actually Hindu college, मैंने वो रखा था, but mentally I wanted Hansraj only. उसके tours वगैरह देख के I was decided. So the last night जब result आने वाला था देख Hansraj मिल जाए बस, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहिए. And the next day I got it. I was so happy. I just freeze that admission that day only. and I don't think so I regret that decision any time. Yeah. So and I feel yeah मेरा experience अच्छा है, I'm loving it. The discrepancy which you were talking about, college की नहीं, college life में I can say that I was expecting a little cool chill वाली life, and nothing like that. It's too much into academics. Yeah.
If you like to study, Delhi University is a good place. If you don't like to study, it's also a good place. So yeah, it all depends on you.
It depends on your personality, how you want to live your college life like that. और opportunities बहुत सारे मिलती हैं. Faculty is good, like he said. Yeah.
Okay, so a closing note for you guys. I think हर subject की 30 day आपको मिल गई है. एक overview brief में अगर आप जानना चाहते हो, it's just like read your NCRTs, figure out which topics you're weak in, go practice them, and then after you practice all PYQs mocks, आपको पता चलेंगे which chapters you're weak at. From those chapters, go again practice them. You can use one shot videos, YouTube lectures for that, and yeah, this process just keeps repeating itself. So that was the science video. I just thank Varun first. Shout out to him इस वीडियो को possible बनाने के लिए. And I loved what you said, bro. And so subscribe, go buy the stuff. Go buy the mocks and PYQs for 50% off. Bye.
Bye guys, all the best.